ages, come, gather round. Welcome to Guinevere's Mocktails under the Bigtop. Today I will be showing you how to make the Bigtop Gumball. The Bigtop Gumball has half an ounce of cinnamon syrup, half an ounce of bubblegum syrup, half an ounce of lime, half an ounce of orgeat, and 2 ounces of coconut soda water. Okay, so first of all, let's do our half ounce of cinnamon syrup, which we'll just pour right in here. And there's already ice in here. And today we will just be using the dirty ice to show you another way of doing it. Half ounce of cinnamon syrup, a full whopping ounce of bubblegum syrup, which this syrup is made from blue bubblegums, which I got from Dan Cockrell. He gave me 750 of them, and then gave me a challenge of putting it in a drink. So there we go. Bubblegum syrup. An ounce of lime, because it's 3 sweet things and tart stuff. Yeah. An ounce of orgeat. Then 2 ounces of coconut soda water. And remember to shake it in a circular motion so everything gets mixed together. That should be good. And for this drink today, instead of filling up my glass with fresh ice, we are going to be using something called dirty ice, which basically means I take off this whole top. I can. You don't think I can? Can't get this thing open. Thank you. Then you just pour it right in. Like so. And then you take a sip. Delicious. And look at that pretty color. Isn't it pretty? Yeah. Thank you for watching Guinevere's Mocktails. Bye. It's everything you ever want. It's everything you ever need. It's here in front of you. Thank you.